Wiring. 1. Route the two long-term signal cables from the instrument panel through the reserved holes in the aluminum front panel, then connect to the turn signal connector. 2. Pay attention to the threading direction: red cable to the right, white cable to the left, ensuring a smooth, tangled harness. Route the throttle and brake lever cables through the corresponding holes in the aluminum front panel. After joining the instrument panel cables, place them in the designated location on the aluminum front panel. Securing the instrument panel. Use screws to secure the instrument panel base to the aluminum front panel. Tighten the screws, but do not apply excessive force to avoid damaging the plastic or metal components. Thread the headlight cable on the front of the instrument panel through the corresponding channel in the aluminum front panel, ensuring a smoothen, tangle-free passage. Secure the screws. Thread the instrument panel communication cable through the bottom and mate it with the instrument panel cable. Verify the cable colors in the video. Match the communication cable. Functional check. Connect the power supply and test the instrument panel display, turn signals, and horn for proper function. If any abnormalities are detected, check that the wiring harness connectors are properly connected and threaded smoothly. Crimp all wires into their corresponding slots, keeping the harness neat. Finally, insert the meter into the positioning slot and tighten the screws diagonally. Close the meter cover. Crimp the turn signal wires into their corresponding slots and secure with the screws. Adjust the handlebar position, tighten the screws, making sure to keep the other screws secure. Use a size 5 wrench to tighten the brake lever. The height may vary depending on the individual. Tighten the brake cable. Secure the position and adjust according to the video instructions to prevent the brakes from dislodging. Finally, tighten the screws. Be careful not to touch the bell with the hook.